Creating a functional ChatGPT bot in just 5 minutes might not be feasible, as it involves several steps, including setting up an environment, accessing an API, and developing the interface. However, I can guide you on how to start. Sign up for an API key from OpenAI to use their GPT-3 model. Select a platform or programming language to interact with the API. Common choices include Python, JavaScript, or others based on your familiarity. Use the API key in your chosen programming language to send prompts and receive responses from the GPT-3 model. Refer to OpenAI's documentation for guidance. Depending on your requirements, you might want to create a web interface, a messaging platform integration, or another way for users to interact with your bot. This can be done using frameworks like Flask or Django for web interfaces, or SDKs for messaging platforms. Test your bot, refine its responses, and iterate based on the feedback to improve its performance. Creating a basic bot in 5 minutes might not be feasible, but this outline should give you a starting point to create one. If you're looking for a quicker solution, there are online platforms or tools that offer simplified interfaces to interact with GPT-3, but they might have limitations compared to custom implementations.